One of the things that my husband and I do, we watch the documentary, actually TVO. TVO channel is one of our best channel because during the evening they play a great documentary from all the world. I'm Setareh Janbakhsh. I'm a professor at the Humber College. I'm teaching at the Faculty of Applied Technology. I spend most of the time with my whole family. We do swimming, walking, hiking a lot to explore actually Canada. I have a mechanical background and specialize in energy system. We have a strong program in the Homberg, especially sustainable design. In my life also, we try to use everything as efficient as possible because it's about the planet, right? Because the climate change, we have to care about the planet as a human. We have to care about ourselves and the community. My philosophy of teaching to my students is to make them inspire, first of all, to bring my expertise from the industry and give the student how actually think about the problem from the outside the box. All my experience from industry and my knowledge from education to make me active, to be dynamic and keep myself updated. In engineering, you struggle a lot. You have to deal with the problem and to solve it. And that is challenging to make you stronger. And as a woman, I like to be strong.